Did you know in ArchiCAD that you can copy information from one file to another? One of the things I'm used to doing in my other CAD programs is having two files open and copying from one to the other. In ArchiCAD you can do that, you just have to open another instance of ArchiCAD. It goes like this: File, Open, and then go to Open. Find the file you want, but this is the trick. Click on Launch New Instance of ArchiCAD, click on Open, and it'll start a new version of ArchiCAD, and then you can have two files open and you can copy from one to the other. Now that you've got the file open, you can select the elements that you want, copy, go to the other file, I'm just using a keyboard shortcut, paste. I'm going to add elements to the ArchiCAD layer, I'm going to show and unlock, I'm going to continue, and yes, so where do I want? Center of the current view, my original location, I'm going to choose center of my current view. There they are. Now it's not finished, I just have to click, now they're there, and I can see them in 3D if I go to my 3D view.